Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create 3D text in After Effects.
Except I'm not Vecna. You sort of are.
First, ready with your clips. Now write your text. Now choose a font. I here choose CC Sticky font.
Except
Now see where your dialogues
I'm not-
start and end, and make marks.
I'm not Vecna.
After that, take a black solid layer. Now apply element effect on solid layer. Go in custom layers. In path layer 1, choose your text. Hide text layer. Now click on scene setup. Go in bevel scale and set value 1.8. Make bevel copies 2 and set extrude value 1.5. After that, go in preset. In Pro Shader 2, go in metal section and choose a metal for bevel 2. Similarly, choose a metal for bevel 1. After that, go in reflectivity and choose a color. It's totally depend on you. Now go in particle loop, make a particle size keyframe, enable multi-object. Similarly, make rotation and displace keyframe in first frame. Now go in end mark and change these value according to your wish. After that, go in animation engine, choose type radial, animation 100%, make a keyframe on first frame. Go in last and set 0. Now select all your keyframe and easy ease. Now open your graph editor and make display graph.
I'm not Vecna. I'm not Vecna. I'm not Vecna. You sort of are. I'm not Vecna. I'm not Vecna. You sort of are.
After that, go in lightning and choose a light. Now apply Gaussian blur. Make a keyframe in end. Also make a opacity keyframe. Go few frames ahead and set Gaussian value. Go 10 frames ahead and set opacity value 0.
I'm not Vecna.
Now apply deep glow and do my deep glow settings. After that, apply drop shadow. Now take a light. Duplicate light 2 times and adjust it. After that, select all layers and delete extra part. Now our smooth ready text is ready. Thanks for watching this. See you soon, guys.
Except I'm not Vecna. You sort of are. Except I'm not Vecna. You sort of are.